This isn't just news, it's a turning point. Witness the pulse of a nation, right here, right now. Good evening, viewers. You're watching Nambardar TV, and I'm Nadia Khan with a crucial update. Tonight, our nation stands at a crossroads. Earlier today, President Raja Azmat Ali Kayani met with top officials. A meeting that could decide the future of Convention of Nambardars in Islamabad. APNA registered President Raja Azmat Ali Kayani warns, "We will take legal action against anyone found using our name and trademark illegally. Our organization's reputation and credibility are at stake. All Pakistan Nambardar Association registered is a legitimate organization with a registered trademark and copyright. Any unauthorized use of its name and trademark is illegal and a violation of copyright laws. It has come to our attention that some individuals are illegally using the name of All Pakistan Nambardar Association to open offices and conduct activities without permission. This is a serious crime and a violation of trademark and copyright laws. Stay with us. After the break, we'll dive deeper into these developments and bring you the latest from our correspondents on the ground. This is more than news. It's the narrative of our nation's future. Thank you for joining us tonight on Headlines. We promise to keep you informed as this story unfolds. Good night.